Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Rafael BBA College, Vapi. In today's session, we will be going to discuss about the HRM support for improvement programs, that is work-life balance. There are so many points which clarify us how the HRM support will provide for the work-life balance. These are: first one, allowing work from home, even a part-time. Consider whether even one day per week would be acceptable if you are not comfortable with the full-time option. Or consider allowing meeting to be attended remotely or from the remote places. Second one, restricting hours worked. This means having a culture in which employees are not expected to work after they leave the work site. It can also mean restricting how many hours are expected of any employee in a given week. Generally, in India, there is 8 hours working that is followed. Some organizations even stop their email servers from forwarding messages after hours. Third one, focusing on the image and culture that top management projects. If they are promoting or living the idea of work-life balance, employees will be more encouraged or motivated to do the same and fulfill the expectation of the top management. Fourth one, focusing on outcomes, not hours worked. High productivity doesn't necessarily come in 8-hour segment. In other words, productive employees may get their work done efficiently and not need to be at the work site a full 8 hours every day. Next one, looking deeper at workplace culture. Here, does the culture promote the overwork? Are there any manageable workloads? Are there any reasonable expectations? This need to be considered while offering different work-life balance programs. Next one, promoting breaks in the workday. Definitely, it is necessary to give refreshment to the employees while this 8 hours, which can go a long way towards keeping stress in a check. Take action to promote employees to take lunch breaks and rest breaks. Taking breaks has been shown to actually increase in the productivity levels. Higher productivity means less need to work late. Next one, giving employees information about work-life balance. While simple, just the act of providing information about the different work-life balance programs to the employees can influence or foster a better culture. This idea can result in employees taking better care to ensure this balance exists. So here we need to try to create awareness regarding different work-life balance programs towards the employees. Next one, allowing extra time off for charitable pursuit or volunteer work. This usually means employees are able to pursue things that keep them happy and satisfied while contributing to the social life care. And it also helps the company's image. So here, if employees are having membership in different NGO, charity, helping for the collecting donation for different social welfare, then here the support from the organization will be given under the work-life balance program. That will also increase the better goodwill of the organization. Unlimited vacation time policies. If that's too much, consider expanding the number of vacation days available. So here unlimited vacation doesn't mean that unlimited breaks or days are provided to them, but in different organization, especially outside of the India, this policy is implemented after achieving of particular project, like in a army or in a other company, or in NASA, or it is given to the scientists after completion of particular work of a total duration gap which is what suitable with the company will be given as an vacation to the employees. In that vacation they are also working for the company for collecting different information, that is also encouraged to them. Next one, providing child care benefits. This is also called as crèches, julagar, panagar. This could be in the form of discount at nearby childcare centers, or it could be in the form of on-site childcare option. So while production area or within the company premises, there is crèches available. It is especially for the new parents, so that anytime if mother or a father care for the or having stress for the child, then uh, due to the crèche center, they can easily meet their child. They can take their child and come back to the working process. That will help them to balance their work life. Next one, offering maternity paternity leaves to new parents. Different leave policies are available, which is again offered by the central government also. Generally, maternity leaves are provided from 90 days to the private sector and 120 days to the public sector or central government, offered to the different state government and central government organization, and 30 days to 60 days paternity leaves given to the father also as an work life balance program. Next one, getting inputs from the employees. So here we need to ask employees regarding what are the benefits they are expecting. Also pay attention to the signs of inadequate work life balance to see more adjustment are needed. Next one, providing help to the employees to get everyday tasks done. This could be in the form of on-site or nearby benefits that allows employees to get more of their personal errands and household responsibilities handled during the work hours. Employees could even offer a discount in some cases regarding the time. For example, if an employee like to attend parent meeting at the school, then the time liberty or break is given even within this 8 hours working, that is under a part of work life balance. Next one, offering wellness plans. Having a healthier workforce can lead to less stress and fewer absenteeism, which can boost productivity and reduce the need to work extra hours to stay caught up. So, this is beneficial not only for the employees but also for organization to reduce the overtime cost, and that's why different health related insurance mediclaim policies, medical checkup, etc., offered under these wellness plans. Again, wellness plans comes under work-life balance programs only. Last one, offering flexible hours. This is generally provided in the multinational organization in India and even in abroad. By allowing employees more flexible in what hours they work in a given day, employees can better manage their time around all the responsibilities and their obligation. Some companies are even going for flexible work weeks, in which employees can work for 4 longer days and take break for 3 continuous days every week. This will, in fact, increase the productivity of the company and efficiency of the employee. It's again depend on company's flexi policy only. It is not offered by every company. So here we are clear with the different support system by the human resource management for the different work-life balance programs. Thank you for listening.